All right, so today I want to show you this amazing product that is called One Click to Mute. And yes, one click to mute, but also to control your volume control. Now, this is an amazing device that one click turn off your mic, but not only that, it's perfect to control the volume. Let me tell you something. In my case, my speakers are hooked up right as part of my display. So every time I gotta control the volume of my desktop, or either I have to go with the mouse, get the speaker on, or I have to go in the back of my display. It's not simple, right? And then to turn off your mic, let's say if you are in a conference call, let's say with the Zoom, right, or your Skype or any other software. Also, it's not sometime if you, in that case, your microphone doesn't have a mute button, how are you going to do it? You have to actually press a button, and you want something simple, something like just go this way and turn off your mic. Now, the amazing thing on this product, let me change the screen right now, it's super easy to install. It only requires a small software that allow you to kind of reprogram also if you want to control it. Like it has a blue light on it. I'm going to plug it in and show you. It has a nice blue light here, and you can turn that off. It becomes red when you press your button right over here. Now, this is what I enjoyed in my case, right? Some beautiful volume control. I press this down, it's super soft to rotate, and it feels, maybe you have it in stereo like that, and you just click and you have those little clicks that rotate. So you have the click, the rotation. So make it easy, super fast to bring up the volume of your computer, bring it down. You just go this way, super fast it's up, and super fast goes down. I enjoy this a lot. Now, what do you get out of that? Also, comes with very long USB cable type A and C. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to plug it in right on my laptop to show you how the whole thing works. It's an amazing nice little device. It helps me a lot. Plus, if you want to use like a multimedia devices, there are little things you can tweak here to the software, but you install it right away, and right away works. All right, I just plug it in right my computer. Do you see that? You see that beautiful blue light over there, the blue LED? Right, perfect. Now, I want to mute my microphone. It's mute. You see that red light? It has a nice cue. Right away, you can see, because then normally my desk is in that corner right there. Imagine for a second, I have a conference call with a bunch of people there in a Zoom, right? And when everybody's talking, right, maybe it's not my turn, I can keep my mic off. When it's time to talk, I'm just press a button and mic is on again and turn it off, but it's not my turn. And again, I can control the volume super easy. Now, check my laptop here, and we can see, let's check right over here. When I press it, I can see, you see right over there, up and down, super simple to go up and down and change my volume control. Okay, so pay attention right over there. All right, so it's on and it's off. You see that it has a nice, it shows up like a nice icon there. You will see a microphone red, cross means it's off. All right, now it's on. Amazing device for me, and I love it because I use this for, in my case, I use it more for volume control. Imagine we do a lot of video editing here, so I'm always playing around with the volume, and that becomes super easy for me. It goes super fast to go, up and down. That's the one click mute. All right, that's the name. All right, and we see right here is a USB Type-C port. All right, nice volume control, perfect. So now you know if you need to control your volume in more in the pro way, right? Well, you got it right over here. One click to mute.